Hello, in today's video we will learn how to make gradient shiny loader. Right hand side my web view and left hand side my VS editor. So let's start. First write the HTML structure, head, title is gradient shiny loader. After head, open and close body tag. After body tag, we write to div class. After body class, we write div. Second div. First div class name is outer and second div class name is inner, and after second class we write span 0%. Go to head section. After title we write tile code dot HTML body, HTML comma body, display flex, align item center, justify content center, height 100 VH, font family sans serif, background overflow hidden. Next, copy the outer class name dot class name, height 300 pixel, width 300 pixel, background color linear gradient 135 degree, comma hash 0076 CE 0%, comma hash D2122E 50%, comma hash FEBE 10 100%. After background we write border radius 50%, position relative, after position we write animation rotate 2 second, linear infinite, after outer class we write keyframes rotate, copy animation rotate 0%, transform rotate 0°, 100% transform, rotate 360°, save and reload web page. Copy inner class name dot class name, position absolute, width 275 pixel, height 275 pixel, text align, center, line height 275 pixel, background has F5, F5 and F5, border radius 50%, cursor default, write dot class name span, font size 60 pixel, font weight 800, background linear gradient 135°, comma has FEBE 100%, comma has D2122E 50%, comma has 0076CE 100%. After background, write color transparent, hyphen WebKit background clip text, background size 300%, save, reload the web page. Okay, here one mistake, this div, save and reload the page. Now write skip code for counter, skip let outer equal to document dot query selector here pass outer class name, copy the outer class name dot class name, let copy this line, paste for inner class, copy, change, let percent, copy this line and paste, percent pass span, let count equal to 0, inner dot add even listener click comma function right, let loading equal to set interval function if count equal to 100, outer dot class list dot remove active loader, copy the same line and paste outer class list dot add active loader hyphen 2, clear interval loading, else count equal to count plus 1, percent dot text content equal to count plus percentage, outer dot class list dot add active hyphen loader, comma 200 last semicolon save and reload web page, click the 0%. This way you can creating an animated gradient shiny loader with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Thank you.